Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 28,030. Yesterday it crashed after Trump announced that he will withdraw all stimulus talks till election. So market crashed vertically. It made low around 27,600 and currently bouncing back from its lows. Now let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Dow Jones resistance stands at 28,230. Dow Jones support stands at 27,600. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zone. After yesterday's vertical crash it has entered in weak zone, so currently it is trading in weak zone. It needs to break 28,230 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes in order to enter in positive zone. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. It also crashed yesterday after stimulus talks failed and Trump announced that he will not allow further talks till election. We had a sell in S&P yesterday. I have given a sell signal around 33.69. We booked profit 33.45. It made low around 33.40 and bouncing back from there. Currently it is trading around 33.90. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. S&P resistance stands at S&P 500 resistance at 34.12. S&P 500 support at 33.40. Currently S&P is trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Both Dow Jones and S&P are in weak zone. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart, currently trading 11,380. It is bouncing back from 11,221 and currently trading almost 11,400. It is also trading in weak zone currently. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Nasdaq resistance stands at 11,460. Nasdaq support at 11,200. One interesting thing I wanted to tell you about Nasdaq, it had bounced back from 11,200 twice, so stay cautious. If you are in selling, then you should not hold position once market is around 11,200. Once Nasdaq break 11,200, it will enter fresh selling around 11,000 and 10,800. Make sure if you have any selling, you should book once market goes at least 11,250 or 300. Otherwise you should have a stop loss of 11,460. Now let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold prices. This is gold hourly chart, currently trading at 1888. Yesterday we had a selling in gold. I have given a sell signal to my subscriber. I have given a sell around 1911.50. We booked profit around 1900. Even after 1900, gold is continuously crashing and made low around 1872. Currently trading 1888. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of gold. Currently gold resistance stands at $1,900. Gold support at $1,870. Currently gold is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Stay away from buy till gold is trading below $1,900. Now let's move on to crude oil prices. This is crude oil chart, currently trading almost $40. It had made low around 39.43 and bouncing back after making lows. Currently trading almost $40. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Currently crude oil resistance at $40.60, support at 39.20. Currently crude oil is trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Now let's move on to euro, then we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart, currently trading 1772. It had entered in positive zone. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Euro support stands at 1720. Euro resistance would be 1810. Currently euro is trading in positive zone, so I will not recommend any sell. Interestingly, gold is in weak zone and euro in positive zone, so stay cautious. and do not trade without stop loss. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart, currently trading 10,620. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Currently Bitcoin resistance stands at $10,720. Bitcoin support at $10,450. Currently Bitcoin is favoring sellers. So if risky trader want, they can initiate a sell around 620, 630 with stop loss of 730 for target of 10,500 and 400. Safe traders should wait in Bitcoin to break 10,720. Once 10,720 is broken, you can initiate a buy with stop loss of 450 for target of 11,000 and 11,300. If you want to get my buy and sell signal, you can send me message on my WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. If you have enjoyed this video or find this video useful, please do not forget to press the like button. Now I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.